yourselves that God has placed you today to be where you are for a reason. You guys have the platform to make a change in the world, and I want you guys to take that with you guys tonight. I want you guys to have fun. I want you guys to remember that every dream is possible, even through any of your subscribers that are going to see this tonight. I want you guys to remember dreams are possible with dedication, courage, and a little bit of passion. So thank you for your being here tonight. I love you guys. You guys all know how much you guys mean to me. So I love you guys, and let the